view is looking past the Japanese experiment facility towards the Earth as Hurricane Bill comes into view. About 2 hours ago, the last status from the National Hurricane Center stated that Bill is strengthening as it continues moving northwestward. It was categorized as a Category 1 hurricane, moving with a maximum sustained winds of 80 knots or 90 miles per hour, located at 14.1 degrees north and 45.2 degrees west. Again, that was about 2 hours ago at 9 a.m. Central Time or 11 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time. The hurricane was reported to be moving west-northwest at 14 knots or 16 miles per hour. This is Mission Control Houston with a view from a camera on the outside of the International Space Station, looking down at the Earth as the station passes over the Atlantic Ocean and Hurricane Bill. This view being provided at 10:45 a.m. Central Time as the station passes overhead at an altitude of 219 statute miles.
Unix station, space to ground 2 for video streaming. Go ahead, Frank. Yeah, good afternoon, Leo.
Oh, this is Hervé. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We have the video streaming on in Columbus, please, for this afternoon until after this evening, after DPC.
Bye.
Thank you.
This is Mission Control Houston, continuing to watch various views from the outside of the International Space Station. Video cameras trained on Hurricane Bill as the space station passes over the Atlantic Ocean.